Hello and welcome to this channel about cryptocurrency education. Today I'd like to talk about the Cardano, just the price movements, just to see what's happening actually. At the moment, obviously, the whole crypto market is sort of on a downward trend again. You can see this on the Cardano price as well. We're currently seeing this consolidation, unfortunately. There has also been, unfortunately, another death cross happened just here a few days ago, where the 50-day moving average actually went below the long-term 200-day moving average, which is normally not a good sign. I mean, whenever that happened, you could see here it was a downward trend. Also here it happened, and here again, and then most recently we saw another where the 50-day moving average went above the 200-day, and we could see a small upside, but now it's gone down again. And the whole crypto market is down. You know that there have been negative news from China again. And generally, the big problem that we can see here in the crypto market is that there is not enough volume. There's just not enough volume. I mean, if we take a look at the at the volumes down here, there is just not a lot there. And this is not enough to help the chart to recover, to help the prices to recover. We need to see better volume, or more volume. You can also see that here on the OBV, which is an indicator of just like the volumes, and you can see it's just horrible. This is now the 6 monthly chart of the OBV, the on balance volume, and it's just showing the development of the let's say the volume that's actually in the market. And there is not a lot there. And if there isn't a lot there, then the interest in the market is fading. You know, people are not really willing to invest, and that obviously doesn't really have a great impact on the price. Then it does not allow the price to really break through these support, through these resistance levels, unfortunately. And yeah, unfortunately, it's on its way down. I mean, we can see here, this is the RSI, the relative strength index. It normally indicates when it's down here there is a bit of space to the upside, because it's sort of kind of understood as being oversold. But because we don't see the volume, I personally don't think that we will see a recovery very soon. I think this consolidation will carry on. I mean, it will be interesting what happens here, because we could see here that was on the 22nd of June, I believe, when we saw the $1 price nearly. This is when the price touched the 200-day moving average. And I think we are nearly there again. We can see that again. So that 200-day moving average is now at around about $1.12. It will be interesting to see if Cardano will touch that again. And if it touches it, if it will go up from there, if this will form a support level, or if we break through that. And I said that yesterday in a video that I saw actually an analysis of a very reputable German analyst who talked about the potential of Cardano going down to 50 cents. Now, what they said is actually that we saw here this very first big price move to the upside, where it is completely normal that you see this retracement here, which is the sort of second element of that huge wave here. So the second one goes down, and they basically expect the price will end up somewhere here at 50 cents, from which then we will see an improvement of the price to at least $4.60. They didn't say when they see that happening, but that is certainly a possibility based on Elliott wave theory. Now, I'm not too much into Elliott wave theory, but it is certainly something that many people are using and many people had success with. So it is certainly a possible scenario. For me personally, I will definitely watch this price level here of $1.12. It might be a level where I buy again, because normally when this happens, and I certainly want to see a sort of a slight improvement, then some green candles here and a bit of volume, and then I'll probably buy to maybe just to get a good entry price. But I think it might go down further. Unfortunately, it's certainly we are not seeing that quick recovery. I still think that hopefully at the end of July, I said in the second week of July, I was hoping that we will see the beginning of the second, let's say the second bull market and the recovery. Maybe it will be August, I'm not sure, but I still expect it personally this year. I still expect new all-time highs this year. I hope that we'll see the $5 this year, and but that's just my personal opinion. Please don't take any of that as investment advice. Would be interesting, you know, if you want me to do some proper chart analysis on this channel, let me know in the comments if that's something you enjoy. But I do then proper chart analysis, not just talking about some indicators, but I would talk about some resistance and support levels, talk about the recent price movements. If you want me to do that on this channel, then please let me know. Because I'm not sure if people are actually interested in this, or if you're more interested in hearing about Cardano news. Let me know please in the comments, because this channel is eventually about you. I want to provide some value. Let me know if you want me to do that. But again, here on this chart, we can very, very well see that the volume is just going down. And I think the Bitcoin volume is going down as well, unfortunately, but I'm sure that will go up soon as soon as some, you know, big investors are starting to go in again, which might happen very soon. Then this will certainly lead to a price increase again. So hopefully you liked the video. If you did, then please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.